Hey guys, I hope you're all doing very well. I am doing a Primark haul today. I popped into Primark recently. They have got so much good stuff in at the moment, and so I wanted to show you some of the bits that I picked up. I went to a Primark event a couple of weeks ago. I will leave a link to that vlog down below. We went to Dublin. It was my first ever time visiting Ireland. It was beautiful there. I need to go back. And Primark very kindly gave me a little bit of a gift card to go and pick up some bits to wear for the event, and I think I spent like double the amount of the gift card. There was so much good stuff in store. So I wanted to show you some of the bits that I picked up. Also, this video is a little bit of a collab. My good friend Zoe London, I'll leave her link down below, has also filmed a Primark haul video, so if you would like to go and check that out, I'll leave that linked down below. Do go and give it a watch because she's a good friend of mine, and I am also looking forward to seeing some of the bits she picked up as well. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing I picked up was this jumper. I absolutely love it. They did have these in a couple of other colours. I think they had it in a mustard yellow and also like a really nice orange red. But I went for this kind of green turquoise colour. It's such a beautiful colour. It's really kind of unique, I think. And I've had so many compliments when wearing this out. And it's a nice kind of chunky knit with like little bobbles on it, kind of rounded neck. And I just love this so much. It's like become my staple jumper for everyday use since getting it, and it's so snuggly. And I really wish I picked up the red colour as well. I got this in the Tottenham Court Road store in Oxford Street, and I have gone back to see if there is the red shade since, but I couldn't find it. So if anyone has, let me know what store, because I need it. The next thing I picked up was this. Again, something I am already so in love with. It's so simple, but like a must-have classic piece that you need in your wardrobe. My sister actually had this. She's had it for a while now, so and it's definitely still in stores because I picked it up like 2 weeks ago. But I saw her wearing it and I was like, where's that from? It looks really nice. And she was like, Primark. It's kind of like a high neck, grey ribbed, long sleeved top. And it's really tight fitting, as you can see. I picked up a size 8 and it's super like slim tight fitting, which makes my boobs look big, which is always a plus. And yeah, just like really classic and looks great tucked into high-waisted black jeans. I just think this is a real good staple to have, and I cannot wait to wear it out a lot more. I'm going to do some accessories before I do the rest of the clothes because I'm obsessed with these earrings. I've been seeing these earrings everywhere at the moment. Loads of my favourite YouTubers have been wearing them, and I found these in Primark. They were only £3, and they do these in loads of different colours. I think they do it in like a dusky pink, a hot pink, like loads of different shades. I picked up the red because I think they're just a nice statement piece. I haven't worn them out yet, but I cannot wait because I think they are so cute and kind of like jazz up any outfit instantly. I also picked up these earrings, again £3. These earrings are gorgeous. They're basically like rose gold with little diamantes in. The shorter kind of bit sits at the front of your ear and the longer bit sits at the back. So it kind of looks like your ear is like encrusted in diamonds. It's so beautiful. Again, haven't worn these out yet, but I cannot wait to. I also picked up this handbag, which has become my kind of like everyday handbag, my like go-to. I think it was either £8 or £12. It was very affordable. I just love everything about it. I think the size is perfect. It holds so much stuff. I've literally just picked it up with all of my bits in. It can fit so much. It's a bit like a Mary Poppins bag. I love the like quilted detail on the front and the little like gold studs. I also love that it has a tassel and a bit of a chain on the strap, and also the strap is adjustable, which is great because I hate it when bags just come in one size strap because I'm so short, they always come down to like my knees. So if I can adjust it, make it shorter, then it's a winner in my books. This was the only handbag I took with me on my trip to Florida. I will leave that weekly vlog down below. And yeah, oh, I just love it so much. Okay, ignore the lighting change. I've just turned my light on because it was getting so dark and dreary in this room. I'm going to show you this. I picked up a couple of pieces of underwear. Again, Primark underwear is always great. It's so affordable, and I thought this was just beautiful. This was £8 and it's a really gorgeous bright kind of like lacy crochet mesh bra. I just think it's so sexy. Cannot wait to wear it. I have no one to wear this for, but I love getting nice underwear just for myself. It makes me feel confident. I think this would look great with like a black off the shoulder top with just a little bit of red peeking out underneath. I think that's quite like sexy while still being covered. So yeah, I love this. Primark's like mesh bras like this are so good. I'm also going to show you this, because if you're anything like me, I hate wired bras. I cannot express enough how much I hate my boobs with a wire underneath. Pretty much chucked most of mine away apart from a couple of Wonder bras for special occasions, but I just hate the pain. It's painful. Who wants a wide bra? And for that reason, most days I wear a sports bra, like a little crop top thing to keep my boobs in place. But Primark have released these really nice non-wired bras. I got it in black and I got it in white. I've been wearing the black one a lot, which is why I'm not going to show it in this video, but yeah, I haven't worn the white one yet. It was £5. I got it in a medium. I haven't got the biggest boobs, but the small looked a little bit too small. I do wish they did these in proper like sizes, like 32B, but yeah, I think these are great. So comfortable, they keep my boobs in place. You can't see them under a t-shirt. I just think they're great. So if you're like me and you don't like wearing wide bras, then definitely go and check out Primark. I'm going to move on to shoes before I get back into the clothes. Oh, how nice are these? They're like black flat pumps, is that what they're called? Like plimsolls, but they have gold studs all over them. I think they're beautiful, very easy to wear, easy to slip on, kind of go with every outfit. I just think they're great. They were £6. Amazing. So much of a bargain that I also picked them up in another colour, don't judge. Yeah, I also picked them up in the nude. Again, like a suede material with the little gold studs on. I just think they're like so easy to wear and I love the nude colour. So yeah, don't ask, don't ask. Okay, so I picked these heels up for the Primark event that I was attending. Again, it's true love. They're like a suede material. I doubt they are suede, but they feel like it. And they're this gorgeous kind of like dusky pink colour, which I think is so unique. Again, it will go with anything. It will go with skinny jeans and a nice top, or it will go with like a little black dress, something like that. Add a little bit of colour to your outfit. They were so comfortable. I wore them all night and yeah, my feet were sore from standing, but they were really comfortable to wear. These are like my perfect kind of like night out shoes because they have the nice big heel and a bit of a platform at the front, which gives me extra height. I can't remember how much these were, probably around £12, and they also had them in a nude colour and a black. I'm very tempted to pick up those as well. Okay, the last pair of shoes I picked up are trainers. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with these. I haven't worn them out yet because I've just got back from holiday, but I cannot wait to. I'm not really a trainer type of girl. I don't own many at all, and I don't feel I'm cool enough to like leave the house in white trainers and look good and fashionable, if you know what I mean. There are those Instagram girls who wear trainers with jeans out and like they look so cool. I'm not one of them. I think it's because I'm so short that I need a bit of height, and that's why I love these, because look at that. They've got a little bit of a platform on them as well, and the colour is just perfect. They're like a peachy pink shade. I just think they are super cool, and I'm going to try my hardest to be one of those cool Instagram girls when I wear these. They were £12. Right, back on to the clothes. I picked up this swimming cozy for my holiday that I just went on. I posted a couple of pictures of me wearing this on my Instagram and I got so many compliments from you guys. It's like the perfect Baywatch swimming cozy. It almost looks like a halter neck because it has such a low like plunge line, would you say? And it also has a really nice low back with these thin kind of straps. This has become my new like go-to swimming costume. I think it's going to be at the top of my swimming costume pile for me to grab when I am packing for future trips away. And I think this was £8. I posted a picture of this on my Instagram stories and I had loads of you asking where it was from. It's from Primark. It's like a black and white polka dot jumpsuit. It sounds so simple, but I love it so much. I wore this the evening of the Primark event. I'll insert some pictures that Zoe took of me. One of my favourite things about it is the bottom of the trousers. They have this little like frill detail at the bottom. I think they're so cute. And also you can dress this up or dress it down. You can wear them with like a statement heel. I wore them with the pink platforms. Or you can wear them with this high neck ribbed jumper you could wear underneath. I think that would be like a really like chilled out, dressed down way to wear it. It's really flattering. I like that you can alter the straps, and it has a zip down the back, so you're nice and like, oh, I just chucked it on the floor. So you're nice and like tucked in. I can't remember how much that was. I think it was probably around £12. I picked up this white hoodie. I absolutely love this for a number of reasons. The first is that it is cropped. It looks kind of like really effortlessly cool and stylish because it has that cropped bottom. It also has these really big tags. What do you call them? Like to tighten the hood, I can't talk today. And it also has this really soft fleecy kind of lining. I cannot express how soft the inside of this hoodie is. It's just a pleasure to wear, and it will be kind of a staple throughout summer as well. Probably the thing I take out to wear on top of a little summer dress if it gets cooler in the evenings. I think this is great, and I picked it up in a size 12 because I like my hoodies to be a little bit oversized and baggy. I picked up this jumper. I love the colour of this. It's like a mint green shade. Again, it has the really soft fleecy lining inside, so it's so nice to wear in the winter. And again, similarly to the hoodie, it is cropped at the bottom, so it looks great with high-waisted trousers. Love this. I think it was probably around £6. I picked up a staple, black like tight dress. This was £3.50, bargain. I wear these an awful lot actually. You wouldn't think so because you don't see the top half. I normally just wear this and then pop a little like crop top on top, so you can only see like a skin tight skirt at the bottom. Yeah, I just think this is a staple to have, and so I picked up another. One more thing. Gosh, this has taken ages. I've been filming for half an hour. The final thing I picked up was this. It is a black off the shoulder ribbed top. Got it in a size 10. It was £6. And I really like this because the sleeves, they're like really tight at the top and really nice and floaty at the bottom, and I just love that look. I love floaty sleeves. I think this would look really cool with like black jeans and statement heels. It's something you know looks good, you can just throw it on and you'll feel and look great in yourself. So that is everything. I am sorry if this video was long. I did pick up an awful lot of stuff. Again, I'm going to leave a link to Zoe's video down below. Go and check out her Primark haul. I'm interested to see if we picked up any of the same stuff. Also, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what your favourite item from this haul was. I love you lots, guys, and I'll see you next week. Mwah!